Hey Rusty, my name is Stephanie, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. I'm going to keep it really brief because I don't want to take up too much of your time. So I found that when it comes to the digital marketing world, a lot of business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can actually benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have in hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you just want to take these tips and implement them yourself, that's totally cool. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So when we're looking at your website, we see that you don't have a whole lot of content on your home page, probably right around 300 words. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. If we're looking at your competition, South Shore Roofing, we can see that their website has quite a bit of content on the home page. That has a major factor in why they are dominating our market. And then we look at JCB or other competitors. They don't have a whole lot of content on their homepage either, but they do have the age of their site going for them as well. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we look up roofing company Savannah, Georgia, at the top we'll find the paid ads. The next section is the map pack, and then below that is the organic section. And how we rank in the map pack is by adding citations to different directories throughout the internet. A citation is just the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. A site that I like to use to check that is whitespark.ca. And we see right here that JCB has 50 citations. South Shore has 77. So if we were to do your citations, we would just go ahead and add about 350 so we can beat out your competition by a landslide. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. And backlinks are how we rank here in the organic section. And a backlink, simply put, is basically site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest. There's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice that you obtain, it works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So if you had a roofing site in California linking back to your site, that would be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows that Pizza Hut is not a relative site for your niche, which is roofing. So the site, or the tool I like to use to look into this is called Ahrefs. So when we look at South Shore Roofing, we can see that they have 67 referring domains with 1,800 backlinks. JCB has 107 referring domains with 489 backlinks. And we can see that your website has 15 referring domains with 47 backlinks. And, you know, not all links are created equal. So they're not, like, there's spammy links and then there's quality links. So when we're looking at JCB, we see their power is 27 and their trust is 21. And we want these numbers to be as close to each other as possible, and preferably in the double digits. And so if we're looking at South Shore, we see that they have a 10 and a 16. And when we get to yours, we see you have a 3 and a 0.1. So the links you do have are not very powerful or trustworthy. So we'll definitely want to get that fixed for you. Just to recap, we want to add 1,500 words of keyword-rich content to your homepage. We want to go ahead and add, I'd say at least 200 to 300 citations to your GMB. And then you want to go ahead and get some better backlinks pointing to your website. All right, that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message. My name is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies. Number is 912-661-3473. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.